Look at these eggplants. So fresh.
They're beautiful. You grew them?
Yes. Here, you can have one.
Thank you. I can't wait to cook it.
We'll pick more.
Farm mo? O ha? Eto na yung mga talong harvest na tayo. Ilang buwan na ito, ma'am?
2.
2 buwan lang ayan talong Ito pa. Yan. Yan na tayo ngayon tayong farm. Ito pa Yan. Maganda naman yung pagkakadala mo Ayan Nakita na ninyo. Ha? Ay, nako. Libre na. Ha? Kaya mayaman, lalo yung mayaman. Wala na ginagastos. Ha? Yan. Ganda ng pagkaka... Tomar?
Sige po.
Ito, Edmar paki-close up ka Ayan Laki. Ito pa Edmar Masaganang buhay. Umaani tayo sa masaganang buhay.
Look at these eggplants. So fresh.
Wow, they look perfect. Can I pick one?
Of course, just twist it gently.
Got it. It came right off.
Perfect. We'll have a great harvest.
Wow, ang laki!
Malalaki talaga. Gusto mo?
Wow, thank you!
Marami pa dyan, halika.
Sige.
Nandito ako sa aking farm, tanggal stress, masaganang buhay mga ka-garden.
Look at these eggplants. So fresh.
They're beautiful. You grew them?
Yes. Here, you can have one.
Thank you. I can't wait to cook it.
We'll pick more.
Ang ganda ng secretary ko, taga Samarian, siya rin yung model ng aking sportswear.
Talaga, salamat po.
Model ka ng sportswear ko at maganda pa.
Nakakatuwa naman po.
Sobra!
Ang sarap nito, Sir Imo.
Sige, pili ka pa.
Okay, dami pa
Magluluto tayo mamaya.
Look at these eggplants. We grew them.
They're so fresh and beautiful.
Let's stand up.
Okay?
So much better than the store.
Yes, I love it.
Our parents may look strong, but they may be hiding the truth about their health.